In a vibrant village in Jamaica, a spirited boy named Levi spent his days playing with friends under the swaying palms. With a nickname derived from his big, curious eyes, he dreamed of creating delicious delights that would bring smiles to his community. Every Saturday, Levi would visit the local market, watching the vendors hawk their goods. He marveled at the colorful fruits, especially the plump, golden mangoes and sweet, juicy coconuts. Inspired, he hatched a plan: he would sell his own ice cream, infused with the island's tropical flavors. With a small savings earned from helping his mother at the shop, Levi bought an ice cream maker. He experimented tirelessly in his grandmother's kitchen, mixing fresh fruits and creamy coconut milk until he perfected his recipes. The day finally came for his grand opening, and he set up a bright cart adorned with hand-painted signs in the heart of the village. As he scooped mango, guava, and soursop ice cream, laughter erupted from children rushing to the cart. Each cone served was met with delighted cheers, and word spread like wildfire. Soon, Levi's ice cream became the talk of the town. Years later, Levi, now a successful entrepreneur, expanded his business to beachside shacks and even stands at local festivals. He never forgot his roots, often giving free scoops to the children and sharing his success story. With each serving, he celebrated not just ice cream, but the joy of community, creating sweet memories in every scoop.